ruhanga shitwe ruhango panam ruhango moyo ori kwera erizoba twakusha
kuja simamisha pale watu
pole kabisa. Ujambo, habari yako? Pole.
You don't need to run around. Another thing I need to talk to you people, just or commanders who are here, officers, the issue of desertion. The director is here, records. We lose a number of soldiers on a monthly basis, which is very worrying. I don't want to mention the figures here because there are some people of Rugambo here. These people of Rugambo, you don't want to. You need to wake up and really look into these things. You, there's a problem. Why disaster? There is nothing with our money. There is nothing. And there's a possible there is no war in Uganda. Where would you think people will be doing what? Running away because of what? The whole country is peaceful. Including Karamoja is peaceful. You can drive at night and everything. But why should people be so just be deserting? Now this is something you must look into, and I think it is all about whether you listen to them. Do you listen to these people's problems? When they want a pass, they have problems at home. When they do you look at them? Do you understand them? It's something you need to really go back and think about it and try to do whatever you can do to stop. Talk to these soldiers and find out what is their problem. So when we hear of desertion with our loans, it's not very good for us.
Ruhanga shitwe ruhango panam ruhango moyo ori kwera erizoba twakushaba kwera shumo ije otwe beitere nitumanya kurabana bawe hai mukama otwe beitere Yawe hai mukama pari urira etwe kweta Yawe